Hey. I was playing Grandfather by myself with my friend, and I restarted my fucking progress. So, can we watch my last video? Saw where I got to, and I'm going to be right back right now and get to where I was last. I guess you guys stopped at the story of her perfume. So, be right back. Alright. Smells like my mom. Atlanta. I have baby came out. It's my toopy. Flashback. He just said, I love you, Maria. That little fucking hooker. She fat. Fat her. Fat her. God. Mom's so pretty. God. How does perfume open the door? Does she like, hello? Can I come through? Alright. Let's do saving. What do I have? Alright, let's go do some business with Snowball. Where am I in here? Wow. Not there. Okay? Alright. So. It just moved. What do I do with this chair? Oh yeah. It goes on the dresser. I remember now. Hello? It's so obvious. Like, you know, I'm just gonna like fucking know that the chair goes by a dresser. Ugh. Flames, shut the fuck up. Hello? Sir, are you in there? Eh? I don't see. Can you open it with her name? Snowball, open it. Oh, I can. Like a little story that goes with it too. Alright. I want to go in the fucking toilet, man. I'm gonna piss myself. Alright. Bitches. Save it. Alright. Fucking hate the sound of that stupid fucking dog. Seems like he's fucking like. Yeah. Just fucking butt. Rich myself. Oh yeah, we were doing. There we go. Dumbass, get a fucking way out. Fucking stupid, dude. Hello? That thingy, baba. It's just another hole in the wall. Oh, it's great. Almost went with it. Nah. Snowball. Get in the fucking hole, Snowball. If you know what I mean. Snowball, get the fuck in there. I'm a rabbit. Wow! What's up, guys? I'm a fucking rabbit. Doing the fucking moonwalk. Wow! Can't touch it. Can't touch it. Fucking useful, Snowball. That's what it is. Snowball, where did you go? What the fuck? No need fucking light, just go. Mother? What are you doing there? No. No one was behind you. Yeah, just imagine you. Fucking weirdo. Whee! Oh, mama! Did it. Psycho. Wait. Sounds like someone's licking the fucking toilet. Like the toilet water. Like, what the fuck? Hello, sir. Hello. Alright, let's go. And let's burn. Burn, baby, burn. Disco Inferno. Fucking lighter. Yes! Look at fucking lighter! Ah! Who's that? That was loud! That was part of the damn freaking game! I was like, ah! Best impression ever. Let's see that motherfucker. So let's go. Yeah, look. Hello? Anyone in here? Say, Crow, what are you doing? Oh, yeah! It's a lady! Remember she calls her mistress? So like fucking mother. I don't even know what it means. So open forward. Ooh, what hack hate. Wow, fucking weirdo. Slenderman! What are you doing? It's a Slenderman! I fucking see it, Slenderman! It's fucking Slenderman. I swear to God. Or it's just the fucking singer from Disturbed. That a piercing and a mustache thing. Slenderman, I thought you only teleported. Damn. Hello? Slenderman, are you out here? Slenderman, no, get blood. What's that thing? She bled on her titties. This is weird. The hell? Slenderman, what are you doing this time? Looks like she's gone. Oh, fucking child. No. Slenderman's long lost head. That's what it is. Body right here. Hello? I lost it. I'm here, buddy. No, you found it, you weirdo? Dude, wrong way. You're a weirdo. But you're welcome, I guess. Alright, I got a gem. Let's go. Hello? Ah. So, are you down here? Right? It's one barrels. Ooh, ladder. I got the ladder. Oh. Right. Let's go. So we keep. Hello? Alright. I ain't even mad. Oh, hello. Alright, let's go to the attic. In such a short time that I have, we need to go to the attic. So I'll pause you until I'm in there. Alright. Let's get that fucking chainsaw. For Obama! Damn right. I'm gonna change the flashback. I'm gonna pause the flashback real quick. So hold on. Jim? Hello? Let's do this. Okay. Our job is done here. Alright guys, time's almost up. There's not really any time to do anything right now. So anyway, I'm gonna make a video shortly because I really want to get farther in this game. I keep on having to reset my stupid shit. No homo. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna see my eyes. Hello. Goodbye.